Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, your go-to channel for the most honest and in-depth product reviews. Today, we're looking at the DREAME L40s Ultra CE Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, a powerful 2-in-1 cleaning machine that promises to make your home spotless with minimal effort. From its 13,000 PA of suction power to its self-emptying base, this model is packed with features aimed at making cleaning as hands-off as possible. So, let's dive in and see how it really performs. The DREAME L40s Ultra CE offers some impressive specifications that set it apart from other robot vacuums in the market. With a suction power of 13,000 PA, it's designed to tackle a variety of surfaces, including carpets, rugs, and hard floors. But it doesn't stop there. This vacuum also functions as a mop, giving you the best of both worlds for an all-in-one cleaning solution. The self-emptying power dock station is another standout feature, automatically emptying the dustbin and taking care of maintenance tasks like refilling water, washing the mop pads, and drying them with hot air. With the capability to hold up to 100 days worth of dust, this vacuum takes convenience to a whole new level. The tri-cut brush is engineered to tackle long hair without tangling, which is a major benefit for pet owners or anyone with long hair. This vacuum promises smooth operation even after several cleaning cycles, which can be a real game changer for those who struggle with hair buildup in their vacuums. If you've ever had to manually clean your vacuum after it gets clogged with hair, you'll appreciate how much time this saves. One of the key selling points of the DREAME L40s is its intelligent carpet detection technology. Using advanced ultrasonic sensors, it automatically detects carpeted surfaces, boosting suction power and lifting the mop by up to 10.5 millimeters to prevent it from dragging across your rugs. This smart feature not only protects your carpets, but also ensures the vacuum is operating at its most efficient on each floor type. Navigating through your home with precision, the DREAME L40s uses Smart Pathfinder technology to create accurate, editable maps. This means you can expect a comprehensive clean with minimal interruptions, as the vacuum avoids obstacles and ensures every corner is reached. It's a great solution for those who need a vacuum that can handle a complex layout without getting stuck or missing spots. Now, let's talk about the real-world experience. Setting up the DREAME L40s is a breeze. The intuitive app allows you to connect the vacuum to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, and you're ready to go. It intelligently maps your home on the first run, and after that, you can set it to clean whenever you need, with customized cleaning zones or no-go areas. It's incredibly user-friendly, which is essential if you're looking for a vacuum that doesn't require constant attention. In terms of real-world cleaning, the DREAME L40s performs impressively on hard floors and carpets alike. The 13,000 PA suction is strong enough to pick up fine dust, crumbs, and pet hair with ease. On carpets, it does a great job lifting embedded dirt, and the mop does a solid job of picking up wet messes, leaving floors looking shiny and fresh. However, on thicker carpets, the suction boost kicks in, but there might still be some areas that require a bit of extra attention with a manual vacuum or spot clean. It's ideal for homes with a mix of flooring types, but if you have a large carpeted area, you might need to manually adjust settings for the best results. The attachments included with the DREAME L40s are well suited for various cleaning tasks. The main brush roll works well on both carpets and hard floors, while the mop is effective at wiping down surfaces. However, if you're trying to clean stairs or upholstery, the vacuum's size and design might make it less practical for those tight spots. You'll also want to be mindful of hair tangles, which the tri-cut brush does a great job of minimizing, but regular cleaning of the brush roll is still necessary to keep performance optimal. In terms of noise, the DREAME L40s is relatively quiet compared to other robot vacuums, even when running on high suction. While you'll hear it working, it's unlikely to disrupt your daily activities. This is a huge plus for those who prefer cleaning without the loud roar of traditional vacuums. Let's talk about the value for money. At its price point, the DREAME L40s offers a lot of premium features, especially the self-emptying base and intelligent carpet detection. While it's on the higher end of the price spectrum for robot vacuums, it brings solid performance, convenience, and innovative features that make it a strong contender for those seeking a hands-off cleaning experience. In comparison to other models in the same range, such as the iRobot Roomba or the Roborock S7, the DREAME L40s stands out with its dual vacuum and mop functionality, as well as the self-cleaning dock. If you're looking for a high-performance vacuum that requires little to no manual intervention, this is a solid option. Now, let's briefly compare the DREAME L40s to other current models. The Roborock S7 Max V, for instance, offers similar suction power and navigation, but doesn't include a mop that automatically lifts or a self-emptying base. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus also boasts a self-emptying bin, but it lacks the dual vacuum and mop feature. So if you're someone who wants a truly automated all-in-one cleaning solution, the DREAME L40s offers a unique blend of features that competitors don't fully replicate at this price point. In terms of build quality, the DREAME L40s feels sturdy, and the materials used give it a premium feel without being overly bulky. The self-emptying base is well designed, and while it's not the most compact station on the market, it does its job efficiently. Maintenance is pretty straightforward, with an easy-to-clean dustbin, washable mop pads, and the ability to remove hair from the brush roll without too much effort. As for longevity, it's hard to say definitively, as this is still a relatively new model. However, DREAME has a good reputation for producing durable products, and based on the build quality, I expect this vacuum to hold up over time, especially if you take care of it and clean the filters and brush rolls regularly. When it comes to customer support, DREAME has proven to be responsive in addressing any issues or concerns, and the app is easy to navigate for setting up, updating, and troubleshooting. The warranty is also in place to provide peace of mind if any issues arise. To wrap things up, the DREAME L40's Ultra CE Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is a powerful, feature-rich option for those looking for a hands-off cleaning experience. With its strong suction power, intelligent carpet detection, and self-cleaning features, it's a solid choice for anyone with mixed floors or a busy lifestyle. The price is on the higher end, but you're getting a vacuum that can handle a lot more than just basic cleaning. It's an excellent choice for pet owners, allergy sufferers, or anyone who wants a robot vacuum that can truly do it all. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in the DREAME L40s, check out the link in the comments box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future reviews. Got questions or already using this vacuum? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your messes even cleaner.